Hey guys, it's Star the Flippin' Hippo. Thank you for joining us on our YouTube channel at Flippin' Hippos. Today is June 11th and it's Monday. And that means it's time for What Sold on eBay. You guys, we had a stellar week last week. It was amazing. We sold a lot of items. We sold a lot of really exciting items. We sold some really high dollar items. And we sold some items that the return on investment was just ridiculously high. The weekend was okay. The weekend wasn't that great. But overall, the entire week itself is the best week that we have had in a very, very long time. We've raised our average sale price. We had a really great week, and I have to thank yard sales for that. But let's just get right into it today. I got a lot of items I want to show you. So we'll start with the amount of packages we sent out each day last week, like I always do. Last weekend, we had a better weekend. It ended up being 36 items and 37 packages. Then on Tuesday, we had 14 items. And Wednesday we had 11, and Thursday we had 12, and Friday we had 6. So we had like this week where we were selling, 14, 11, 12 items a day. And then on Friday it plummeted down to 6. And then sales were just like non-existent. Overnight Friday and most of Saturday we had like a couple. I think Sunday morning we may have had like 8 sales total. We did end up shipping out 32 items today. 31 of those were eBay sales. One of those was our very first Macari sale. And we still have 5 awaiting payment. So for whatever reason, we had a great week. Sales plummeted Friday and stayed that way. And then yesterday we were just rocking. We were selling left and right. So let's look at a couple of things that I picked out that I wanted to show you guys. These are just women's Bermuda shorts. I found them for $1.99 at the Goodwill. I got this pair and this pink pair. They were the same exact thing, different colors. I did sell the green ones for a best offer of 12, and the pink ones, I got the full 14 I wanted. This Banana Republic shirt, just, one of your basic mall brands. We picked it up because it was new with tags for 99 cents, and we accepted a best offer of $21 on it. And it is long sleeve, even though it's summer. We're still selling some long sleeves. This Victoria's Secret bikini top, I paid 99 cents for it, and I accepted a best offer of $16. And I keep telling you guys I'm selling shorts. They're flying off the shelves as fast as I can buy them and list them. I'm selling them, and they're just these regular shorts, booty shorts, whatever you call them, all brands. I'm finding them for 99 cents, so I'm just like clearing the rack basically. I'll take a whole row. I'll take whatever's there for 99 cents. So this pair sold for $13, and this pair of Calvin Klein sold for $14. They went to the same buyer. We have a sale in our store where if you spend $25, you get 25% off. So the two of them together would have been $27. So she got a little bit of a discount for buying them together. And both of those were 99 cents at the Goodwill. And then after, the swimsuits and the shorts and everything, we still, like I said, are selling these long sleeve shirts. This one, I paid 99 cents for at the Goodwill, and it sold for $15. I sold a sweater. I actually had a question on this. I answered it. She sent an offer of $17, which I accepted. She's already given me really good positive feedback. My theory about cardigans and sweaters selling in the summer is that a lot of people work in office buildings where the air conditioning is on and they keep it really cold, and so people need sweaters while they're at work. I never really worked in an office, but I used to work in nursing homes, and that was the general rule. All summer long I had to have a sweater at work because it was cold. So I think that may be why a lot of our sweaters and cardigans are going. And then I sold these BKE buckle jeans. I paid $250 for these, and they sold for the full asking price of $32.81. It's kind of funny because I was in the Goodwill yesterday and I found like 5 or 6 of these right in a row, the BKE buckle jeans, and they were the color tag that was half off. So I didn't get them for 99 cents, but I was paying $2.50 or $3.50 a pop. And when we came out of the store, these had sold, and it was kind of like, well, that's why I'm willing to pay up for these, because they sell for a little bit more than other brands. And this is a Burberry short that's been in our store for a very long time. I thought this guy was never going to go anywhere. He was listed on Posh on Friday or Saturday. I moved this guy over to Posh, and then right after I moved him over to Poshmark in our closet, he got a best offer. I'm saying he, like he has a personality. It's a shirt, but I'm a weirdo, guys. So right, like I'm talking like an hour after this was in my Posh store, I got an offer on eBay for $25, which I accepted. But I hear that from a lot of people that like once you cross post something to Posh or Macari, it ends up selling on eBay. This Pendleton skirt I found for 99 cents at our local Honey Pot thrift about a month ago. So it's been around for a little while. I did get my full asking price for it though of $22.57. And then this just sold today, so it's not technically in with last week, but I wanted to show you guys because it's so cute. It is just a tie with Snoopy and Woodstock. All these Woodstocks are different colors. And then Snoopy with his sunglasses. This was a Ben's find. We paid by weight, so it was probably like 20 cents, 25 cents. And then it went for the $12.83 that we were asking for. Now, you guys, we are getting into the goodies. I have saved the best 4 items for last. This Nintendo DS we picked up at a yard sale, not this past weekend, but the one before. We paid $5 for it, and as you can see, it has Barbie stickers on it that are peeling off and cracked, and you can see right here it had a damaged screen, but we still got $19.50 was what they offered, so we accepted it because of all the damage and the stickers. If we had known that the screen was damaged, we probably wouldn't have paid $5 for it, but less fees and shipping. We still made like $8 or $9 on it, which isn't that great, but $8 or $9 made is $8 or $9 made. This Sony Walkman, it's not the one the Star-Lord had in the movie, because we all know we all want that because it goes for a lot of money, but it's still a Walkman. We got it for 50 cents at a yard sale. We paid 50 cents for this, and it sold for $25. So less fees and shipping. Probably made close to like $19 on this. And you guys remember the Sony DVD VCR combo that I showed in a haul video that I was so excited to find? We paid $10 for it, and it sold for $70. And then this thing. This is a vintage Sony radio. It was at a yard sale for $2. And I didn't even see it. I walked right past it. And then Keith was standing there and he came over and he's like, I'm thinking about this radio over here, but I don't know if it's worth $2. I don't know if I want to shell $2 out for it. And I'm like, come on, man, it's only $2. Let's try it. Let's try it. Let's take it home and see what's what. So we spent $2 on it. We got it home. We opened up the box, and everything inside of the box was still wrapped in its original wrappings. We did not open this up at the yard sale. We just paid our $2 and booked it out of there. Got it home, and look at this. We were so excited because everything, he took it out of the packaging. We didn't take anything else out. He took this out for pictures and put batteries in it to test it because we didn't want to open the cords. But you guys, we got it home and everything was like brand new, still in the packages. So he listed it for $200, and we took a best offer of $175. I'm sorry, I had to look at my paper, guys. So we got $175 for a radio that we paid $2 for. That was a gamble. He was hemming and hawing. He didn't want to pay $2 for it, and I'm so glad we did, because we got $175 for it. So these last 4 items here really, really, really made our week. The return on investment here for 50 cents was just amazing. So we had a great week. We had a lot of these higher end clothing items go, like these. We had a really good week. It kind of petered out towards the end of the week, and the weekend wasn't anything great. 31 packages for eBay is pretty okay for a weekend. It should be more, but it is what it is. We sold a lot during the week, and then we had our first Macari sale. So it was a good week overall, and we're pretty happy. We're happy. We're okay. Sometimes you have a slow weekend, but if the week is good, that's fine. And then if you have like a slow week and then your weekend picks up, you're okay. Because at the end of the day, like I always say, it's your total sales for the week or the month or whatever you need for the bottom line for your business and your family, whatever you guys need. So you don't always have to have like a stellar week and a stellar weekend, as long as they balance each other out and you're doing what you need to do. How did you guys do last week? Did you guys have any really awesome yard sale finds that went for a lot of money? Did you guys have a slow week, a fast week? How was your weekend? Are you cross-posting? Did you guys sell anything on Macari or Posh? These are all things I want to know. Let me know down in the comments below. If you would, smash that like button, you guys. I would really appreciate it. If you haven't already and you would like to, please subscribe to our channel and help us feed a hungry hippo. You can find us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. We are at Flippin' Hippos. Until next time, you guys have a good night.